Slab leaks. Perhaps the most difficult and costly plumbing repair any residential or commercial building owner will face. Why? Most costs can be traced to a single factor: leak identification. More specifically, the time, money, resources, damage to the structure, and just identifying the slab leak location. At Mansfield Plumbing, we minimize all those factors by quickly identifying and correcting the slab leak. We have a system which sets us apart from our competitors. We call it RICS, for Rapid Identification and Correction System. When you're ready to have us apply our RICS system to your home or building, call us.